Okay, oh wait, and... Alright, we'll see if this works. Add fake latency, implement UDP Steam networking stuff. Does it fix latency problem? Well, let's find out. Okay, first of all, everything is somewhat fucked. Because I had to set up a Tokyo demo, so everything is broken. Actually, everything's kind of okay. That one's broken. What else? Okay. Let's see, can I? Okay, wait. Can I start this? Hey, Mendoza. How's it going? It's been a while. You're likely the first person here. Can I run my game?
Welcome to Fat Goblins.
Can. And it works. My FPS is really bad. What's happening? I guess just because it's not in release mode. I mean, 200's okay. Oh, this is looking nice. Thanks, man. I had a handful of optimization days, and now the game runs at about 380 FPS. When it's compiled in release mode, I guess. I guess that's important. So we're never doing that again, though. Okay, so first thing I gotta do today is add fake latency, and this might end up being really hard. No, I can do it with. I was thinking I might have to spin up a thread like per packet, but no, I have time value already. So food packets. I don't know about this one. Oh, that's only on open. This doesn't matter. Okay. Potential client bytes. Food packets and the thing you get the bytes if that's when you close. Okay. Sure. Okay, so here we go. Does this stuff lock a mutex? It does. Awaiting connections. Oh, I get it. When it found an awaiting connection, it tries to do the join identifier. If it cannot, it cancels. And then if it did successfully join... So this is not really the bit I care about, but if it did successfully join, then it sends the remaining time packet. So this is okay. And now this part is the thing that matters. Allocates if it needs to. Interesting. Okay, I get it. Okay, sure. Connection is connection. Okay, time is time. So that's also okay. And then it mem copies the data into the packets data. Hey, you stance. How's it going? I'm doing Steam library stuff today, you stance. Because I created a Tokyo server demo, where the server is in Tokyo, and I ran the demo from my computer, and the problem is I expected there to be latency, right? So like when you hit a tree or something, there's like a delay before the wood comes out, and that's fine. You can kind of fix that. But what I actually saw was when the players were running around, I was seeing them update like once every 200 milliseconds. So that I have no fucking clue why. I think maybe because I'm using WebSockets and TCP, and because it's going like internationally, like the network is doing something to buffer my packets. That's what I think is happening. I think they're buffering my packets like without my permission because it's TCP. So the implication is like I should be okay with that. So that's what I fucking hope is happening, because this might be a really hard problem to solve. But if that's so, then basically I think the solution is just switch to UDP. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm totally guessing at all this also. But yep. But first of all, I'm trying to reproduce that issue, which I'm gonna add fake latency, and I do not think that's gonna work. So I may be a little bit fucked, actually, now that I think about it. We'll see. Okay, let's do this first of all though. So blah blah blah, get packets, get connection count, add packet, shit. This is a big problem. I don't know how to add fake latency. It almost is as if I should just have, like, what even would this be? I should almost just have a buffer, but I want something really universal that I can turn off and on without the code really changing at all. Shit. How can I do this? The queued packets thing is mostly fine because, or not queued packets, received packets, whatever. Yeah, because I can go through and listen to the time and only process them at that time. That one's kind of not hard to do at all. Maybe? It still kind of is, because I probably just clear it when I'm done. Yeah, for sure I do, right? Shit. Okay, so how about this? Maybe what we'll do, when I think the only thing that ever happens is you get packets. But it seems to not think that's true. There it is. I should restart VS Code real quick, hang on. It is laggy. Good old VS Code. I'm also streaming and recording today because I've gotten advice from multiple senior like indie game people that I should be marketing more, so I'm going to try to do that. So I set that up. Not as laggy, maybe. It's still pretty fucking laggy. Man, VS Code's a piece of shit. Okay, let's keep doing stuff. Get packets. Come on. Process the packets. Okay, so... yeah, see, it just swaps them. Oh, man. I could do something really fucking ghetto, like... if fake latency is greater... this is what I didn't want to do. Oh well. Latency packets. We're gonna name it completely different so it can't even compile. So this will be... Oh my god. Latency packets. Time. Packets. Oh man, this sucks, huh? What do I even do? I really don't want to write two completely things of code, man. Maybe can't avoid it though. Shit. I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen also. I'm like 90% sure. I'm gonna write this latency code, and I'm not gonna reproduce the issue, because I do think the issue is TCP going over the ocean. I think that is the issue. Let's see. So basically, get your packet. I think, okay, this is gonna actually fucking suck a lot. Every time this happens, you have to cycle through another latency packet. So latency packets. TCP plus ocean equals 200 milliseconds. So the problem isn't just at 200 milliseconds though. That one's okay. The problem is that it's not a consistent 200 milliseconds. It's like it's like buffering 200 milliseconds worth of data and sending it every 200 milliseconds. So I get like bursts of like gameplay stuff happening, which that should not happen ever. That's really fucking weird. So something fucky's happening. Packet, server, latency, packets, count, plus equals 1. Hey! Wait. Watanui? Hey, how's it going? Hi. Packet, server, how's it going, man? After you do this, you have to get your latency packets. Packet, server. Watanui. Wait, you can't clear it. Uh-oh. After you get a valid latency packets, so I'm not allocating, time goes to 0. Packets count goes to 0. Okay. Let's see. I guess this is the time. Okay. Latency packets. Time is time. So after this, now you have to get... Okay, so this is how it diverges, right? Now you have to get the packet. So we do the kind of actually the exact same thing as this. If latency, so this means you have space for it. You increment. Okay, yeah, this should work. Oh, except this, not this. And it's a pointer, so that. This is confusing. Latency packets count, increment latency packets, get the packet dereferenced thing pointer, and then the packet, set that to nothing, or it's already a pointer. Oh, but you need, oh my god. Packets. Yep. It's confusing. And then you have your packet. If you can fit the bytes, fit them, otherwise allocate. Okay. Where that's there. Same thing though. Same thing. So actually, this could be universal code. This one. So there. Yay. Alright. So technically, freeing this is also not going to work. I hate writing this knowing that it's all going to get deleted because it's not going to help. But you got to do it. So go through, I don't need back packets though. Go through all of your latency packets. For every allocated, you get latency packets data plus I, and then free the bytes. That's not right yet. Okay. For A or something, latency packets, allocated. Oh boy. Then you free. This packets. And then you free. Something. I could make this simpler though, no? Because packet has a time. Actually, okay. It's time to make it more simple. That's a packet. Get rid of this. This will be fine. It's more CPU costs, but I don't care. This is for development. Good. Smart. Okay. Actually, this makes it really fucking easy. This is the official code now. But received packet, so it almost has to be like a macro? I could call it receive packets. Let's get rid of latency packets. Same thing. This simplifies it a lot. Although, you have to say, if latency is 0, you have back packets. That's the main catch now. I think. So really, I guess it's like this. Okay, making progress. And now everything is happy. I think. Okay, so now here's the bit where things get a little bit fucky. So you do packets. Or if latency is greater than 0, packets. Ray. What should you do though? I think it's kind of actually in my interest for the packets to just reserve the entire size. Probably. Make it a temporary allocation. So it's not expensive, it's free, right? And then you swap. Okay, wait, that's a problem. Oh, that doesn't exist anymore. Yay. I should say this. Alright, so now you just have receive packets. Counts. For packet inefficient remove, which does not remove memory. Received packets. So you have a context time right now. So you would say something like if context time is greater than packet time plus latency, fake latency. Is that what it's called? Uh-oh. I think I've been saying latency. Yeah. Okay, so if your current context time is whatever 200 milliseconds in the future or more from when you've received your packets, then add, we'll call it latency packets. Add that packet and remove that packet from the received packets, and that's not that inefficient even. Okay, and then return latency packets. Yay. Now what? Now sending packets. Sending packets is a very big problem. Big problem. I don't know how to do this actually. I think it should maybe happen on the client though. Probably. So fake latency. This will go in shared constants. I also set this thing up so I don't have to scroll. I don't have to like new line 14 times anymore. That's pretty nice. Okay, fake latency. What is it called? Packet client. This is going to be kind of the exact same thing. If fake latency is 0, did I do this right? Oh, this one just has a mutex, which is odd. Oh, wait, why does it have a mutex? Oh, actually that makes sense. This one just doesn't destroy its mutex. Yeah. Whoops. Hey. Okay, that's okay. Destroy the mutex. Yay. Free the client, free the array. If you need to free that array, free that array. Okay, continue. So this one, same thing, basically. I think. Wait, swap is not needed. Swap is like kind of built in now, right? You just do this. That was from forever ago code. Wait, so I should do that here too. Yep. Okay, fake latency, swapped, set the thing to 0, potentially return the back packets, and then... Does this one not need a mutex? I'm so confused. Like, where are the mutex locks? I think it does. In message handler and open handler, everything needs to lock the mutex. Am I just not doing it? What the fuck? I am sometimes. Oh. Questionable. It's the same mutex, I think. No, maybe it shouldn't be used for everything. Does this thing have more than one mutex? It doesn't, though. But so this mutex is used for, yeah, actually queuing packets because... Well, it claims it's thread safe. I guess I get it. Because you can definitely... I think it shouldn't be called... I think it shouldn't be thread safe. Conceptually it is, but if you're ever adding a packet, you should not be in a thread. Sending packet... Whoops. Sending packet should not be thread safe either. Nothing here is really thread safe. Okay, so now in that case, it's just a mutex. Right? That's what this thing is? That's what it should be. Whoops. Okay, so now we do, though, have to kind of use this mutex for completely everything, I think. When you get a message, when you close the connection, although it doesn't do anything, but it might eventually, so we might as well do that. And this guy, okay. I think everyone is happy now. Alright. And, did I do this part right? Latency packets, go through packet. No, I did not. Okay, last thing. Packet client, receive packets. Efficient, remove them. If the time is valid, stick them in there, remove them, send it back. And then this guy is not relevant anymore. Alright. See if I've super fucked everything up. Okay, that works. What? Wait, what did it say? Back, receive packets on... Oh, yeah. Wait, but that is only if fake latency is greater than 0, which is... If it is 0, whoops. Destroy mutex. It needs to be a pointer? Packet client is not a member of context. Whoops. Damn it. Time. Okay, so this guy needs the same thing. So there's a time value when you do this, and the time value is this thing. So when you get a message, like this, that's that time value, and then packet time goes to time. So I don't know if I should do this always, though. Probably, yeah.
Welcome to Fat Goblins.
Let's turn off the music. Okay, I've added latency. I've added lots of fake latency in music. Please turn off. And so... Oh, you know the reason probably why my FPS is so low is because I'm streaming and recording now. Can't really fix that, can I? Oh well. Oh well. Okay, let's see here. I need to open a new client. Let's see, is it laggy or just latency? Just latency. It is like a little bit not correctly interpolated, but it's really not bad at all. Okay, that doesn't help. Well, I guess... Let's set that back to 0. This might be a big problem to try and test this. I think what I'll do then is... I don't know. The only thing I can do, I have to set this up on a server internationally. So I will set it up on some Tokyo server. And I guess I just have to confirm it's actually lagging on the Tokyo server. There's actually no better way to do this, right? I could VPN. Will that help? Wait, that'll help. Wait, I can't VPN while I'm streaming. Huh. What should I do then? If I can't VPN while I'm streaming, I could... I don't know. I couldn't even really can I set up a proxy? Will that even help? No, not because then it'll get pinged when I send the connection to the server. No, it won't help. That's too complicated. Well, I have to change it to Steam library anyways, so... Okay, the first thing to do, I'm pretty sure, is set up a server in Tokyo. Even though I can't develop on this server, I need to confirm it is in fact broken. And it cannot be the same server I'm using as a demo. So let's go make a new one. Okay, we will set up a... Give me a second, I'm setting this up 24.04 Ubuntu Tokyo. And it will be CPU optimized 2-core. Oh wait, I just need 1 core. Okay. Tokyo lag test. Deploy. Okay. Windows subsystem for the next. Wait. I can do this differently. Here. Okay, this is Windows subsystem for Linux. I'm gonna go Fat Goblins server? Is this gonna... It'll probably be fine. Jai main dot... Wait, is Jai Linux main dot Jai? Will the Linux server compile? Yay. Okay, so let's go Tokyo server lag test. So this is some random ass server, and can I SSH from PowerShell? Oh. But wait, is that gonna expose anything? Probably not. I don't know. Do root at this is random ass server IP? Yes. I didn't set a password. Oh, it tells you the password. Okay, hang on. Random password they gave me. Okay, also let me open FileZilla. I don't want to do SSH file transfers. There's gonna be a lot wrong with this. Update. Okay. Good. Install. What's it called? Build essentials or no? No. Linux install C++ playing stuff. How do you do this? Build essential. It's already installed. Oh. Good. Wait, what about Cling? Okay. Let's see. I'm connected to root. Okay, so I probably can go here and to my server code, and I can probably upload all my stuff just through FileZilla. So I'm gonna give it the bullet things, which probably okay. There we go. Lib bullet, lib whatever, lib whatever. That one. Okay, that maybe is that it? There's no fucking way this is all I need. My secrets folder. Okay, uploading. I now have. Oh, I put it on just right here. That's not what I meant to do. Fat Goblins server. Let me just move it all. Stop beeping. I don't know the better way to do this. Lib WebSocket. Secrets. Do I have to like move recursive? I guess not. And main. Okay. Get in there. And now I remember this is a problem. What's it called? SWF? No, what's it called? What's the fucking port thing called? Linux. UFW? I think it's UFW. It's allow all. That's probably not it. Linux UFW allow all. Sudo UFW default allow outgoing. Okay, sudo UFW default allow outgoing. And then incoming, right? Yay. Okay, that looks right so far. What else? The secret thing I'm sure is wrong. Let me edit this though. I think this contains my IP. Let me edit this in my FileZilla where you can't see it. Yeah, it can. Wait, it doesn't? Oh, the other thing it's missing is assets raw. Okay, let's upload assets raw. That contains my IP. Assets raw, and then login server. And that actually should stay my IP. So this will be interesting, but I think it's ready. I think it should work. I'm SSH into Tokyo server. Will it run? Permission denied. Okay, sudo chmod plus x main. libx cursor. Oh, I forgot I had to install all these stupid fucking things. So I made a readme. Just do all this stuff. Whatever. I need to get rid of the glfw dependencies. Maybe that's what I should have done today. Oh well. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. Also, this is gonna be really interesting. Hang on, because what's gonna happen is, do I have my ping server set up correctly? Is it hard coded? It's hard coded. It's in Fat Goblins login server. Ping servers. Okay, yeah, these are correct. Cool. So the Tokyo one is probably a valid Tokyo ping server, and so is the Chicago one. So when I ping them, the Chicago one's going to be best, but there's no rooms in the Chicago one. And so this is what's going to be interesting here. The login server is set up. Where is it? So much shit. This guy is set up to get the server region now legitimately from Volter API. And if it cannot find it, it will say could not find it. But otherwise, I want to say found server region. I don't want to say the IP. I want to say just this guy. Okay, so we will restart the login server. And now that I've installed all this random shit, I can maybe run it? I think so. Really? Is that easy? Is it about to say found valid login server? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm thinking. Found 0 instances for server region query. Wait, is this running? That's also running. Let's try again. Let's try again. It should just continually be pinging this guy. It had a connection, which is interesting. Okay, it is in fact seemingly never actually connecting, so that's odd. Okay, hang on. I think the correct thing to do... Let me go look at the server login server IP address. Somewhere where it can't be seen. Edit. That's, I think, right, maybe? So that's probably right. Huh. What else could be wrong then? The secrets thing is there, and the secrets thing is here, right? Secrets. Yep. That's correct. I guess I can try printing here. When you set a room ping time, received ping. We will see if this is happening just ever. This is a connection also. That's kind of questionable, but it'll be okay. Yeah, it also never said connection open, so it's definitely just not even working. Okay. Yeah, open connection, receive ping. Oh, it worked. Okay, this doesn't work. That's extremely interesting. Receive ping. So after this first ping, oh, because now it has a region associated with it. It just didn't actually find it. This is a good test. The Volter stuff is just not returning what I expected. So when you get the region, I need to see the results. And this is fine, I think, because probably it's pinging from the Tokyo server, which is not my IP. Is don't really care that much anyways. Closed connection. Will it reopen the connection? I don't know. I guess not. That's not good. Huh. Okay. That's not good. So it's not finding anything. I must be doing this incorrectly. I need to actually check the IP. Which again, this is the Tokyo server, so it's fine. I think the IP might just be something really weird. I bet it starts with like WS // or something. Maybe. Here we go. That's probably valid. Okay. Okay, then... what's happening? What if I just start it? Yeah, no, this thing does have to get started. Huh. Okay, however this is happening, it's not returning the right IP. Something like that. What the fuck? Yeah, a little sanity test. That file is there. Okay. I think this method is wrong. Which this is a little bit annoying to fix because didn't I write this method? Oh, connection pointer. Is that not how you do it? WebSocket TP get IP address. Get remote endpoint. So it would be. Where's the module for this thing? No, that's not how it works. There's no module. The module is my own code. I forgot. Fuck. I hate this. So it's connection, get remote endpoint will return a human readable address plus port. Alternatively, that works only with you can query what? Get raw socket will return a TCP socket. Isn't that what I need? No. It could be though. Because I don't think I'm using ASIO, however you say it. Oh, I am. Okay. Okay. So I need apparently get remote endpoint. Connection. That's probably valid. Oh god, WebSocket server, WebSocket connection type. Yeah. That's why you gotta write these bindings so you never have to look at it again. Okay, well, as long as this can... Oh no. As long as this compiles, but this means I have to compile the library again. Oh no. Okay, you know what though? This will be the only thing I have to... Compiling Windows is fucking horrible, but so well, I only need to test this currently on Linux. I'll compile Linux first, just to be sure I did it right, and then I'll do the Windows autistic compilation. Wait, what is it? Export build. There we go. What? This isn't Linux. Okay. Put my Linux with my Linux. There we go. Now, remove RF, export, build, /*. Okay. Was it CMake? Don't you have to... This is really weird too. I need to look it up. CMake release build. This thing. There we go. Make. Alright, is there like a readme with this I'm supposed to read? Wait, what? Oh, I spelled that one wrong. Okay. This is supposed to be remote, right? Yeah, remote data. And then allocation size is the remote size. Whatever, that's probably right. Okay. Let me, I guess, go back. I don't know how to do this, so we'll just do that. And then, same thing. Make. Please build. Is there a way to build, by the way, stuff for like these libraries for Windows CMake only from command line? Is there an easy way to do that? I would love to be able to do that. Okay, it built. Let's go take that thing and go find that file. What is it called? WebSocket pp. Ben Linux. That's not where it is. Export build .so. That should be all I need. Ben Linux, delete that. There you go. And now Fat Goblins. WebSocket pp, lib WebSocket pp. It's not here. Fat Goblin server. There it is. Okay, you get replaced. Go here. I think I have to recompile the server now. This sucks. Compile. Okay, so now I should be able to delete that and that from the Linux server, and then go back, go up one directory, and send it lib WebSocket pp, which is compiled 1 minute ago, and main. Uploading. Okay, so now, yep, these are both new. I probably have to chmod. Please work. Wait, but the login server needs it too. Oh, and that one's Windows. Oh no. Okay, time to compile on Windows. I don't know how to compile on Windows normally, so I'm gonna try and use CLine if my thing hasn't expired. Please don't have expired yet. Yay, I think it hasn't. Alright, let me open up that project. Socket ppgi. There we go, CMake list. That probably... Is that really a problem? Hang on. Release mode, yes. Tool chains, this all is okay. I don't know what it's complaining about actually. That's probably not right though. Or maybe it is. Okay, well, I think it's actually right. Let's try just rebuilding. Reload. What? Please, man. Delete all that. Add Visual Studio. Is it? It's supposed to test these compilers, but I guess it tested CMake? It tested that tool set. It should fucking work, no? Okay, there it goes. Build. I actually don't know what that problem was. Shared library. Isn't it supposed to be static? Can I make it static? Oh, shared. What if I just do static? I wonder what'll happen. First of all then, let's clean. So clean should get rid of the DLL, except it didn't. Okay, well... whatever. I think I'd rather have a static library. I mean, the Linux one I think is... Actually, the Linux one's not static either. Whatever. So now there's the lib file. I need to check. It said made static lib. I think that will work, right? So what we do now, WebSocket, this is the bad part of Jai. The fact that you have to do this stuff. So I should just be able to say jai generate.jai. What WebSocket? Okay, so I guess the generate thing is incorrect. Why? When? Well, that's a problem. Hang on. Oh, I can't do it from here. Damn it. Okay. Bin, when, delete those. Those are old. Export, Windows build thing. I think I only need the lib. Should only need the lib. I don't know how there's exes and stuff. Paste it there. Now what do you do? Let's look at this real quick. The main thing, I think I haven't compiled this in a very long time. So export main h, it imports from WebSocket pp, which implies, am I supposed to have something else? Oh no, it's right there. Oh, but this one isn't. Okay, so maybe I restructured this since the last time I exported and I don't remember. But all I should have to do is add include paths export. Probably. Apparently not. But I really do think so. What does it say it can't find? WebSocket pp config. Oh, this is what I meant by this stupid fucking thing. Oh no. To generate this library, I go into the header file and comment on all the stuff that points into the WebSocket library. Oh god, do I really have to do that? I wonder. Okay, what is it looking for? Config. It is, the config folder is in fact completely gone. So the implication of that is the config file is usually generated through some CMake stuff. It's probably here. However, I'm not gonna rip it out of here. So I will take my advice, I guess, even though this seems to me extremely stupid. So like that? Is that what I did before? Error, use of undeclared identifier WebSocket pp. This? Bro, how the fuck did I compile this before? Oh, this is WebSocket pp. Oh. I might not have to do this weird shit then. Let's try one more time. Add include paths. But see, this commented thing right here, that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm probably just repeating the same steps I've done like a year and a half ago. Anyways, export WebSocket pp. So now this is top level. So it looks in here for client and server, and let's try. Boost. Version not found. Well, I think my readme comment was probably the right way to go about it. I'm not trying. This code effectively is going to become trash, probably. Undeclared identifier WebSocket pp main h32. That's all basically true. Really seems like I have to import these though. So that would imply... Bro, how did I build this before? No, remember new config and namespace WebSocket. To generate this library, I go into the header file and comment out all the stuff that points into the WebSocket PP library, so the binding tuner only looks at the top level definition. Good evening, how's the network code going? Are you using a module or are you doing it completely from scratch? I planned, well, so right now I'm actually still trying to debug or reproduce the bug. But I'm having issues setting up the server correctly. So it's not working yet, but I'm planning on using Steam WebSockets, or not Steam WebSockets, Steam Network Messages, whatever it's called, that library. I wonder, it feels to me like something has changed in the binding generator. I wonder if I could just get rid of this? No, it has to know. It has to know about all this stuff. This is exactly, though, what my comment said I did when I compiled. Yeah. Although I don't actually need to know... Actually, I could get rid of that. And can I? Yeah, because you only ever allocate it. Okay, maybe that'll work. Yay! I think I did it. I wonder if where'd my functions go? Uh-oh. Export. Oh, I'm not supposed to do it from Windows. Not yet. Yes, I am, right? Yeah. I took my thing, I put it here. The bindings generator goes from... It takes that thing. Yeah, I am supposed to do this. Uh-oh. Has John not provided a networking module? I don't know access to try, but I feel like I've seen it somewhere. Well, there's networking modules, but like... It's low level. So you don't really want to use that unless you're building your own thing on top of it, which is not really what I'm trying to do. That's... There are some things I think there's benefits to doing yourself, and that's not one of them. So I think it's missing all the functions. I don't know why this would happen. I don't know C++ build stuff well enough. I think it's missing all the functions because I compiled it as static. So let's not do that. And whoops, I gotta go back into here. This fucking sucks. Comment that back, comment that back, comment that back. Okay. Okay, building. Yeah, the Steam networking library is also, I think, pretty good. So it says it made a DLL. That's very concerning. Uh-oh. It should have also said and lib. So hang on a minute. I'm gonna have to go open this up in my file browser and look at the timestamps. Export release. The lib was right now. And the DLL was right now. So actually, I guess it did. It just didn't tell me. Okay. So we'll go put it in bin, when, delete. There we go. So now let's see if the binding generator will please God fucking work. So the way I do it, jank as fuck, comment this out, comment this out, comment this out. I should have listened to my readme. It said, of the stuff, which includes this. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. So, where was I? This guy. Please work. No! Bro, what is happening? It's not getting these functions. I'm export, declare spectacular export, and this, and every function has export. What the fuck is happening? And when it generated, it said no deal though. Okay, that's not right. That's not right. But I did put these there. No deal implies it's static, which is not what I exported. So it's actually not building it right. I'm very confused. What if I just type random shit? Could not find. Okay, goddammit. So you're not coding complete OSI? Yeah. Unfortunately. I think the WebSock, it wouldn't be that hard to do it. But that's the reason I like the Valve version. Theirs takes that approach. They don't make it very hard. Like, they do stuff really nicely. I am so fucking confused. Okay, hang on. Let's go back here. Maybe it's because I have to clean it and then rebuild. That clean... Okay, there it goes. Let's try again. And... I fucked it up again. Fucked it up again. Uncomment, uncomment. But yeah, Valve's thing, I don't know why, but it feels very lightweight to me. I don't know how this stuff got a space added. I don't really care. Bro, if it didn't compile correctly because I didn't clean, that's upsetting. Okay, so now we go into export, CMake release, DLL lib. Those are correct times. Bin when I don't think it's gonna work. That I gotta comment out again. This is horrible. Go. God damn it. Where are my functions? What the fuck is happening? Is it because maybe I have to add main. I think that might be a new thing required in the bindings generator since like a year ago. I also don't think I need to do it this way. Main H, main CP. Okay, let's see if that fixes it. Main H not found. Export. Oh, that's true, huh? I think, okay. I'm pretty sure the problem is that I don't have the actual definitions of the things it's trying to build. And there's probably a flag that will say, like, ignore or, like, don't strip empty functions. Symbols with unformed libs. Can I have it tell me why it's stripping? Maybe I should get rid of that. I could do that. One of these things I'm pretty confident is going to fix it. You can assign that to that, maybe? That did do it. That did it. Okay, I got my function. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. So it's because it has an unknown foreign library. Why that is, okay, that's a deeper problem now. This was not what I was planning to do on stream today. It really seems like when I build this stuff here, okay, stop indenting. When I build this stuff here, it seems to me like somehow this export thing is not declare spec. This is how you do it, right? Let's see. See. Let me check. So my CMake file. That all looks okay. It is, in fact, declare spec dealer export. Let me double check. That's exactly what I did. I am pretty fucking sure. Yes. Damn it. Is it if 132 though? This might not be right. Okay, it is right. I guess or defined 64. I don't think that should matter. You know, yeah, or we can just do it. That's just export. We'll see how that goes. It's not like it's complicated to build. Let's build again. I don't think it did it again. I am pretty sure. I'll try though. I am pretty sure it's supposed to print lib and DLL. Oh, in fact, the lib actually didn't update this time. Okay, things are not working. This is not right. How could they not be? I hate C++ so fucking much. What could possibly be wrong? This is like the most basic thing ever. What if I just stick that there? Let me go look at my build settings. You make release. Let's get rid of that. Let's add another release. I could also do rel with dev info. Is that better? No. And now we will check the release build. The lib updated just now. The DLL updated just now. Well, that gives me slightly more confidence. This will be interesting. This will be very interesting. Let's get rid of these two things. Paste these here. Okay, now get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. And it will link into the thing. It should have at least the fucking create server thing. So let's try. 0 functions. Bro. What? What else can I do? There's nothing else to do. This is not, it's like, it's so simple. Add library thing shared. Oh, maybe you can, oh wait, maybe, I've never done this before. This doesn't look right, to be honest. But I'll try this. I've never had the need to do this either, and I've exported like dozens of libraries at this point. Okay. Very weird. Let's go put this stuff back. I'm a bit confused. Are you making bindings for the C networking library or a binding? Both. It's a C++ library, and so I have these bindings that I wrote myself. I think. Yeah, I did. I think. And I first have to generate the actual like lib and DLL next to the follow. And then I have to generate the bindings, so both things, yeah. But I have never had this problem. This is like an incredibly simple project because it's just 2 files, right? So it generates the bindings and they're exported, as you can see. Linking. Building. Is this not building? Is this building an executable thing? There's no way. But yeah, let's try this. So this is a shared WebSocket PP library, and I set the properties of export all symbols true. I don't know why it's not exporting some of these. Clearly, I've defined export to this, which is correct. And it's... everything is exported. I don't fucking understand. Anyways, let's try again. This guy, there it is, DLL, just now it got exported. Yeah, the last time I worked on this library, I can see in the modified files time, actually 1 year ago. It was 1 year and 20 days ago. Wow. All right. Let's take these, we'll go put them in bin when, again, it's 44010, and this one is this, okay, wait, these sizes, gigantically different. This is probably not good, but this is interesting. This actually might work. I don't know why these sizes are so fucking huge. I think because it's exporting every single symbol, and that's not what I wanted. There's only basics. Yeah, that's true. So we'll get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. I think it'll work. It did not work. Oh my fucking god. I am tempted to go use an old version of Jai. Or you know what? No, actually, I can make this work. Here's my new plan. I'm pretty confident this will work. It's just very stupid. Actually, I'm like 50% confident. That's way more confident than I've been about anything so far. So what we'll do is let's put this back. I think this is important. Okay, I have to do it in my other editor because this thing leaves a space, which is annoying. 50% confidence, big percentage. So I'll build this guy as release mode. It's going to give me back 2 files that kind of won't work. So here's what we do. Go to export, CMake thing, grab the 2 files. Both are updated, that's good. Bin when, stick it in there. Okay. Now, I'll try building it first of all, and it's not going to work, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait. Right. That's Fine. Let me check one more thing before I actually do this very stupid idea. Is there a way to say, like, require function bodies? Because I don't want that. I think kind of no. Okay. You know what I probably should do though is just revert the file. But anyways, what I'm gonna do instead, this I think maybe works. It's this strip thing goes to just functions. Yeah. Boom. Now generate. Okay, so I got my functions back. However, they're all unknown lib, so it's actually not no DLL, whatever. I just replace unknown lib with WebSocket PP and we're done. Perfect. It's been a few days. Have you been working on the game? Yeah, I was working off stream. I was optimizing stuff. I got the game up to about almost 400 FPS off stream. Right now I'm streaming and recording. How's your PhysX going? PhysX is good. The Linux thing still doesn't work. I haven't tried again yet. I legitimately cannot get, I'm assuming you're in the Jai Discord, is why you're asking. But I legitimately cannot get the standard C++ library binding statically in the Rust bindings generator, right? So that's the problem. I'll show you. This is, I've tried so much random shit. This is how the PhysX bindings get generated. It's for Rust. And I cannot bind them. Whatever I do, they do not get put into the fucking .a file. So I'm very, very close to ready to admit defeat on that. But yep, that's where it's at. It works as long as I add to the Jai build process the necessary link commands to get the stuff linked, right? But that's very stupid. Why are all these in Rust from the beginning? Is physics? No, physics isn't like that by default, but the PhysX Rust bindings are very, very complete, and they have their kind of own PhysX specific bindings generator that spits out C++. It spits out C++, and I've modified their bindings generator to also spit out a static library. So in Jai, you can now just take those two things and just kind of put them into a Jai binding generator and it just works. So it's just kind of yeah, I know. It just kind of uses their shit, right? Okay, also let's generate this for Linux. Or did I already? I don't remember what I did today. Uh-oh. Yeah, that looks... SO is also correct. Alright, let's just go take that guy. Or did I already? Let's just, yeah, I've spent actually probably about 12 hours trying to get those bindings generating for Linux. I am very, very fucking ready to admit defeat there. There we go. There it is. And I will just do this myself, I guess. I still don't know if these are... Wait, I should test this. Hang on. What's gonna happen? I can't... Oh, hang on. Yeah, how can I even... Okay, I have to start this guy. Server data. Oh no. I fucked up the bindings. How about this? I actually didn't change this file at all. So what we'll do... The only thing I did was change the lib and DLL files. No, not you. So... Git... reset. Is that's I'm gonna look up the command git undo one unstage file. It's reset, right? Yep, I think. Module. Okay, no. What the fuck is it? Oh, checkout? Yeah. Okay, so now this stuff has this stuff in it again. That's probably all about right. In library. I hate this. This is my hell. Okay, well, it's done now. So now can I start this guy? Maybe that's because I did not put these files in with the server. I don't think that's why. I think I'm fucked. Oh no. Why'd I have to make this one mistake forever ago? WebSocket PP. Delete those. There are the new ones. What were the old one sizes? 5, 10, and 10? Okay, that is different. God damn it. It's doomed. Oh, that's the wrong spot though. WebSocket PP. Still doomed. Okay. So I have a new plan. I now believe I have to generate these legitimately so that the bindings generator will actually create them correctly. Hey, Lumpsing, how's it going? Is it wait, is it an I? He will surely get to Steam networking. This what I'm doing isn't even really necessary, you know. I could actually, because I guess it kind of is for the, it is actually for the login server. Because I'm doing this just to be sure I see the issue, and then I change it to Steam networking library instead of WebSocket PP, and then the issue goes away. I just want to be sure the issue goes away, but I probably still need to use this. I mean, I technically don't. I'll try one more time, because I think I know what to do. Are rolling at how bad the new Twitch UI is on mobile? They have new UI? Wait, but if you link PhysX and Jai build system, then it works right. If when I use PhysX in the Jai build system, on Linux, it doesn't work unless I do this. Wait, what is it? Oh, it's PhysX test. This. Which, that'll be this now, because I can apparently link in libm statically, so. Yes, this model after oh, I've heard about that, yeah. Woo, I get to use TikTok. Okay, so my new plan with this, going back, let's do this again. Put these files back in, generate, oh wait. Yeah, I think, maybe. Actually, this might not work. There is a tool. Okay, here's maybe what I need to do. There is a tool that will let you... It will let you see the actual exported symbols of a lib in DLL, right? I don't know if that's what I need or not. Kinda seems to me like it is. See. Okay, so here's this. So anyways, my thought before this point, when I realized this might not actually fix the issue, is that I think I need to get this thing compiling. The fact that this server existed with a pointer to WebSocket PP, like this, kind of... Oh, I just straight up uncommented that. Never mind. Yep, no, I'm fucked. I can do this. Apparently, I'm pretty sure based on the module, it's data. Yeah, that's what I did before. Wow, what a solution. That's crazy. No functions. I might actually try going back like a year in Jai versions. Let's go do that. There's no chance this works though. It's not a... Okay, no. Before this, let me see how to... Okay, dump bin. Where the fuck is dump bin? Do I have that? Damn it. Kai bisect? I don't know what that is. What is that? So something broke in a Jai? No, I don't think so. I'm just trying to figure... I don't think it's a Jai problem. I think, I have to go find dump bin. I think I do know where dump bin is. I'm pretty sure somehow... That's why I'm trying to use dump bin thing. My lib and DLL somehow magically don't have the symbols I'm exporting. I don't know how the fuck it could be. Jai bisect. Oh. I don't think it's a Jai problem. I just wish it was, because it's really, really easy for me to fix that then. So that was one of the first things I wanted to check for that reason. I'm just coping. Almost certainly it's not a Jai problem. I'm trying to find dump bin. Hang on. Pretty sure I know where it is. Dump bin, are you here? No. Dump bin. There it is. But I have 3 of them to choose from. Probably all are fine. This one looks good. Okay, so we're gonna... Dump bin. How do you use it? Slash exports. And then it wants your... Well... It wants a lib, right? Because that's what actually can... No, I don't know. Let's do the deal, though. Bin window... Wait, it's technically... Exports... Export... CMake release... And then WebSocket PP... DLL. You must provide... Did I do it wrong? You must provide value expression. How to use dump bin. Missing the giant dev stream around here lately. At least John has been streaming again lately, I've seen. That's good. Dump bin C exported symbols. I also might be streaming a lot more the next few weeks. Possibly. Slash symbols. Is that what I'm supposed to do? It seemed like it didn't like my forward slash though. Let's try exports. Okay, it doesn't like that even more. Symbols? I'm confused. What if I do nothing? Or maybe it wants a lib. I'm so fucking confused. Dash exports. Is this like old comments I'm reading? Nope. Maybe. No. I don't know. don't think I'm doing anything wrong. Everything I see online says /exports. How to use dump bin. My god, this sucks. It might be... I could do this one. Don't think this is the problem. So instead of this, it's 86 and then 64. I don't think this is a problem. Nope. I don't understand how it's possible to get in this situation so easily where everything you see online says one thing and it does not work. Is there a way to say, like, help? Help. Please. Old school? Oh, you might be right. Probably right. Good idea. Well, it's not on stream now, but just hang on. WebSocket PP. Okay, let me go grab this. Symbols. And I'll go grab this. Worked. And it has nothing. Unless... I think it has nothing. Lib. Okay, wait. Lib has also basically nothing. Hey, Matrix Dev. Does exports -- exports work? I'll try that here. I am curious. Nope. Well, I mean, I got it working in command prompt, so it was a terminal thing, yeah. I don't know how you resolve that if you want to use it in PowerShell, but what if you don't do a slash? The slash might be escaping something. Nope. So it's optimized away. I think that might be it. I think there's, well, so that, I give that like a 20% chance. Not very high, but I was thinking about that at the very start. That's why I haven't tried that yet. Symbols shouldn't work on DLLs, though export should. Well, I'll check. I did it, would it be on libs then? Because I did both. Symbols, exports. Oh, it is there. Oh, good catch. Okay. So it's doomed. Is there a flag for it on the compiler side? You mean in the bindings generator? Oh, wait. What do you mean? Which compiler? Well, so based on based on the exports of that thing, actually reading the DLL, it's there. It has it. So let's close out of this. Hang on. That's one step forward. So that was my assumption when I had that thing I was trying to do, where I said I think there's a 50% chance this works. Let me go take both of these now. Stick them back in bin. I thought they were probably there, and somehow the bindings generator needed a complete version of the code to generate, which is why I reverted this. Let's do it again. There. I reverted this, right? Back to how it was. What the fuck happened? Okay, let's just revert all the way. There. Maybe I didn't revert it. What is happening? Alright, hang on. I'm gonna go take the raw code. WebSocket ppgi from GitHub. 9 months ago, you come with me. Okay. Here's the original code. Bin, when, WebSocket pp. These are the new things I've generated. Here's all the code. Yeah, okay, I read all that. Well, I'm gonna delete all the WebSocket pp stuff. I think in NuGi, unless this is only true for static libraries, you don't have to keep them right next to your exe. Maybe that's only true for static libraries. We'll see. We will see. Wait, that's not that one. This one. Okay. So here, when I run this, what happens? Okay. That's maybe fine. I'm pretty sure this is complaining that it doesn't have the DLL lib. So I will go take those, I will go put them in Fat Goblins login server. Now what? Okay, so... Oh my god. I don't know what the next step is. Maybe the next step... No, that shouldn't matter. Yeah, this is right. I think the next step is I'm doing all, oh my god, I don't even know. I'm doing all this just so I can reproduce the bug. So let's just pretend I never did anything. Git stash. Problem gone. Everything's fixed. How? I don't understand what was happening. Man, that is crazy. So anyways, now WebSocket pp is gone. No more WebSocket pp. I really wanted to get this working though. Oh well. Jai Steamworks. I wonder if I actually need two. I don't know. Anyways, this one should work. WebSocket pp. Technically, if I get stashed it, I could still be using this. The problem was that one function I had to get the IP address didn't work. And when I tried to rebuild it, it didn't build correctly. Which is really... Anyways, I need to stop thinking about it. I can't fix it. Okay. Replacing WebSocket pp. Like, should I really be using Steam networking library though in my server? My login server that has nothing to do with Steam at all? I don't know. Great. Oh, no, that won't work. Look at one more thing. I have no way to get a socket from this, right? I never provided that functionality. If I can get a socket, I can get the IP. I think the Steam one is different. Game networking sockets. Well, I think it's in here. Wait, is it different? Hang on. Uh-oh. So there's They have a thing, they have a page explaining the difference in all the things. Where is that page? Hang on a minute. There. Steam networking. Send messages between players. Our newest API, relay packets through Valve. Okay, so all this stuff is probably for peer-to-peer. So you're probably right. Yes, that is probably the one I want. Okay, game networking sockets. Well, unlucky, more stuff to bind. But we love binding stuff on this stream. Jai game networking sockets. How should I do this? I think it'd be the latest release is 2 years ago. Do I want to just go grab their release maybe? They have one release ever. I think I'll just grab their source code. An open source version of this API is available. Wait, what? Where do you see this? What is that about? Is this not open source? It looks open source to me. Pretty sure it's literally Steam networking sockets. Oh, is it really? Okay, let me look at the API. Let me just compare the API then, before I get too far into this. I think you're right. Cool tech man. Yeah, the README says it uses that interface. Uses that interface. That's a little bit different than saying it uses that. It's the same thing. The Steam networking sockets is an interface designed to make it easy to port UDP-based code to peer-to-peer use cases. It is different then. It is different. Use strict priority values, weight values, okay. I do, in fact, I am pretty sure need this whole library. So, git clone. What's the correct way to structure this though? Also, let's add this. I get to add more folders to my project. I bet there are bindings for this that exist, but typically Valve stuff is very, very easy to bind. Let me take a look real quick. Common. I bet there is probably even something called something flat, right? I hope. So far, no. Uh-oh. Am I just missing it? Should probably read a little bit of the README. Oh, include? Ah, flat. Yay. Okay, I can probably make it work then. So, this is not so bad. It's gonna be just like this guy. I'm using MAS bandwidth something something for my C++ game, which is C++ wrapper on top of netcode and reliable. Both are C libraries by the same author. Don't like the Valve one. Oh, interesting. I do like Valve stuff generally. Like even that, this inspires a great deal of confidence. When you open their include folder, immediately they have Steam networking sockets flat. So good. Everyone should do that. So useful. Let's go try to build it. CMake. I wonder, what if my CMake license did expire, and what they do is don't generate exported symbols? They don't tell you. Jai gaming something something this. This then is gonna take me quite a while, isn't it, to get this shit working? If I have to switch over my whole game to this before I can ever test again. I guess though, I could go put... No, I do have to switch over my whole game. It's doomed. It's gonna take so long. Cannot find something in OpenSSL. Oh no. If it's not new enough. Oh no. No, okay, wait. Also, Valve usually gives you the exported symbol so you don't have to compile it yourself. Surely they did that. No. Uh-oh. It's Jover. Yeah. Let me go look. Let me try downloading source code zip. I do not think they give you the exported symbols this time. Uh-oh. What the fuck do I do? I have to do one of these two things to continue work on stream. This is the type of thing I normally do off stream because it's horrible. Okay. Let's somehow get OpenSSL linked. Find package OpenSSL. Use crypto equals this thing. Usually, when something isn't linking like this, it's because your configuration is not right. That might not be the case. Okay, hang on. Okay, do I have what's it called? VC package manager or whatever? Let's see. I am pretty sure I do. Let me try command prompt. Okay, I don't. Damn it. I shouldn't have to build it. Hang on a second. You do, in fact. Okay, I'll do what they tell me to do. Yay, more building. Wait, what? Am I done? Okay. I probably have it. I probably have to go here. Okay, no, I don't. What? And then set up the project. Configure the VCP root. Okay. Sure, so where is this? What do I have now? It said something. I'm pretty sure there. That went to this thing. So I'll just go add that to my path. Did the bootstrap just download the exe? Yeah, it did. Yep. I mean, that's not... I prefer that than having to fucking... I guess it makes sense, because I guess the goal of the package manager is the unfuck of the million build systems that every single one is fucked. And so, like, if you have to use a build system to build it, maybe it's not very useful. I don't know. I'm happy with that. I don't have to build something. Okay, so we do... How do you fucking install... this Install OpenSSL. I think I probably don't have the correct CMake, what's it called, path for this. We'll see. The toolchain path. Then after this, you have to do integrate install, I think. I hate Windows. I hate C++. I guess I was just mentally prepared for a make or similar where you start clearing the repo. Yeah, I have had some make things that are like, that just work. But I feel like maybe 50% of the time when things try and do that, they just don't work. Which is kind of an unreasonable percentage. Yeah, I expected that too. I expected it to do a make thing and not work, and then I was going to have to fix that before I fix the other thing to fix the other thing. This is sure taking a while. I swear to God, though, I've used VC Package Manager on this computer before, so I don't know. Down the rabbit hole. The WebSocket PP thing is the most upsetting. I still kind of want to try to fix it. You know, maybe while I was doing this, I can. Should I really, though? So the entire problem was, instead of get host, it's get remote. Uh-oh. Endpoint. That's the entire fix. And it was exporting it, it said. Wait, could it? Wait, that means it is a jive problem. Oh wait, I can maybe fix this. Not that I really need to, but if I have this library that works, I should fix the bug, I think. Oh my god. Okay, so we will... Oh, we'll go back to that. I think I can fix it this time. So the things were exported. It's not really a jive problem. It's that the way I'm generating the bindings is weird as fuck. And Jai isn't happy with it, more or less. So I think also I maybe did it with Rail with deb info. Maybe. Let's do that. No, fuck it. Release should work. Release should work. Okay. And all that's right. Yep. I think also one thing I did that was good was this. Don't think it matters at all, but just in case. And then you build. So, we're gonna go... Oh, you're doing stuff? Okay, sorry. Wait. Jai. Get status. Get log. A year ago. A year ago. Wait. Oh, I don't know when these were. Okay, let me go look at my email. Wait, that's January. Okay, so it'd be at least ahead of that. Hang on. 2023, November, September, August would be good. July is good. We'll go there. This one. Okay, fine. What's the chance this works? Okay, I guess it did it, right? So now we can go here. WebSocket PP. I have generated these bindings, right? Let me confirm. Bindings generated. Let me go take them. Here, and then export, and then release, and then DLL and lib. Back here, bin, win. It's very concerning the sizes are pretty significantly different though. The 511 DLL versus now 440 DLL. It makes me think I probably exported with dev info, but whatever. Okay, so now generate. This is all I did. So what I had in my comments was comment out everything associated with WebSocket PP, which is what Jai is so unhappy about. So that would be all of this. Yes. And now let's try generating. Where is a good place to do this? You. Are you happy? Nope. Nope. Row with dev info. Okay, it is now building row with dev info. Build. Oh, whoops, my bad. Okay, let's go grab those. Row with deb info. The sizes this time, they're actually extremely wrong. What the fuck? How? That means I was absolutely previously compiling it in release mode. So never mind, no row with deb info. Well, the only other thing I can think to maybe do, and I guess I really do have to give up on this, because it's not really necessary. Put the DLL lib back in the folder, and what I'm going to try, undo whatever changed to the module. Okay. Generate. What happens? Oh, whoops. My bad, my bad. That's what it wants. Generate. Okay, so what did it actually make? Let me look. No DLL. So that's the problem, right? I don't know why it thinks no DLL. Whatever's causing this is the problem. Which, probably what's causing this is actually, I bet that the DLL is exported incorrectly, but I don't know how. It doesn't make sense. Welcome to my hell. What if I rename this so it doesn't get picked up? No, it doesn't like that. I guess I give up. Okay, stash again. Unlucky. Not find the DLL. I think it's not that it's not finding it, it's that I don't know how to explain it because I don't totally understand what's happening, but I think it's that the lib either isn't referencing the DLL correctly, or the symbols are like not exported in the way it expects in the DLL. So it's assuming the DLL doesn't contain the export information and that it's a static library. Because this thing is automatically generated, so if it were to find the exports in the DLL, it would just do this, like a shared library. The only time it does static no DLL is when it thinks it's a static library. So that kind of, it corresponds to why it strips the functions. So whatever it's doing, I think it's doing it right. I just don't understand how I could be building this without including the functions. It makes no sense. I guess just for funsies, I'll try a row with dev info. Okay, there's that. I technically have the old code now. Whoops. I should probably change this, even if I'm not gonna keep this code, like, what is this function? Yeah, this one, not get host, get remote. I keep forgetting, get remote endpoint. Pretty sure that's right. Well, you can check for sure whether DLL exports, they do. I did that. The DLL exports are there. So I don't know. Yep. What was I doing now? You get through it. Okay, I don't care about that. I was just trying to generate this. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Before that, you gotta do this jank shit. Oh, stripped. I don't know. I give up. It makes no sense. I wonder what happens if I do it. Wait, let me try. So right now, I just put the old DLL and the back in here. So these are the old ones. If I do it now. Oh wait, now I gotta go back to here. Okay, can the old lib and DLL work? It does. I didn't change fucking anything. Let me look at maybe GitHub, the actual, let me look at the repo history. Pretty sure it gets stripped because it's C++, so functions and linking names are tied to structs. So functions linking names are tied, well... I don't know, actually. That could maybe be, no, I don't know. Because the thing is, I have the structs here. I have like a forward declaration of them. I just don't actually, and actually I am defining, you're talking about these, right? I still do have all of these. And I mean, so I mean, my biggest problem with this is I did this 1 year ago, and this was the library I used, and I haven't changed anything. Let me go look at the commits. What are the most recent commits I've done? I actually, this commit even shows me exactly how I had this set up. Yeah, and it is exactly like I just did it. I commented out the stuff. Okay. Yep. Now what did this one do? Wait, this is interesting. This might be the jankiest thing anyone's ever done if this works. No, that was just a test file. Yeah, that was just a test file. Damn it. I did not change anything. My setup is exactly the same. I give up. It's probably done with this by now. Bootstrap thing, where are you? There you are. OpenSSL is compatible with the things. Yay. Okay, so now I'm supposed to do what? VC package integrate install. Project should use this. I will do what you say. Okay, so that implies, let's go back to my other thing now. I love building C++ projects. You can't see this, but I'm in my settings. Hang on. What is it? CMake in release mode, we will add, let's get rid of debug mode. In release mode, we add that thing it told me to add to the CMake options. So now it can find it. And did I ever, running the thing, yay. This might actually work. Did I ever install OpenSSL? I think I did. Oh, there it goes. Found OpenSSL. Magic. I am amazed. This is potentially actually working. I am wearing very comfy, I don't know what they're called. Fancy workout pants slash pajamas, I guess. I think technically it'd be acceptable to wear anywhere though. What is the OBS thing on? Oh, it's still just sitting here. Man, this takes a while. No, actually. I can't fix the WebSocket PP thing for whatever magic C++ reasons, but I could make the server work with it so I could test the bug. Maybe I should do that. Let's go put WebSocket PP back everywhere it belongs. Actually, do I need to? Yeah, I should. Okay, I guess while I wait on this, might as well do this stuff. Fat Goblins. Fat Goblins. Login server. Server. Okay. So then, the SSH thing, where am I? Here we go. Wait, this one. Uh-oh. Okay, I also have to go grab it from... Let's look at ppgi bin linux. This SO file was compiled today. That's not good. Wait, date modified. That probably is because I reverted it. So that probably is okay, actually. Let's go put it in somewhere. Projects. Okay, there we go. Fat Goblins server, Fat Goblins login server. Wait, does this even matter? This should work. This should work. So now I gotta go back to my login server and I have to hard code to receive the ping from what I know to be the IP. Okay. And it is here? Everything feels so laggy. Get IP? None of this is... Where the fuck is it? There we go. Get connection IP. Okay, so, IP... Is IP data ever used? No. Just IP. So IP is now... Where is the Volter servers? Tokyo lag test. Okay. Copy. Tokyo lag test IP. I think this will work. And this thing is still building, right? Where is it? Wait. It's here. It is still, in fact, somehow building. Holy fuck. Okay, so let's shut down the server. Start up the login server. Please run. Yay. Okay. Tokyo server. Run. And it should receive an IP from the Volter thing and know it's in Tokyo, if I did it all right. Open connection. Yay! Wait, NRT. Narita? What? Does it tell me information that shouldn't be on stream or something? I don't think so. So it looks okay. Okay, but so what is NRT? That's very weird. I have also, is Postman on stream? Do I have a scene set up for Postman? Starting up slowly because it's Electron. There it is. Okay, let's see here. Volter. Regions. NRT. Tokyo. Okay, NRT is Tokyo. That is not what I thought. But okay. How much other stuff did I mess up? S. So is TKO? TKO. That doesn't exist. And then SCL. That is Santiago. That's good. FRA. Frankfurt. Sydney. Okay, everything else is right. That one is not right. So that's fixed. There's NRT. And that's the login server, so I should be able to just restart that. And I think it will probably... It should get a ping, but I guess it won't. So that's kind of a bug, right? Kind of a bug. Ping updater. It does try to reconnect, but I think when it disconnects, it doesn't get rid of the connection. That's the problem. Close handler. Yeah, that would be it. Client. Connection. Get rid of that. Not taking up in there. Okay, well that should fix that bug. I don't really need to test it. Yeah. Okay. So this seems to work now. It's a valid region server. It's NRT. I should actually be able to connect to this, right? If I play the game. Aggie. Okay, let's see. My FPS is... I guess that my computer is doing like actually a million things right now. Alright, where is another client? Let's go back. Connect. Let's see if it's laggy. Yep, that's laggy. It's not that bad though. It is pretty bad though, but that does kind of probably look like a TCP packet issue. Yeah, I feel like I can see the packet drops or something. I spawn a thing. So this was the real problem. Yeah, that looks... I mean, everything looks really bad. So this is basically like 400 millisecond round trip latency. Okay, so issue persists. That was the point of the test. Is it done building this thing yet? Okay, I'll take a break real quick. Let me go get a snack. I'll be right back while this thing builds. Be right back. I'm back. Is it done? Yes. Woo! Okay. See, make build release. So it already compiled even. Is it compiled as... I didn't ever check this. I might have gotten the settings wrong. Is it shared? There must just be a single setting right around here for shared. On. On, huh? What does that do, actually? Basically nothing? Build static lib is something interesting. I've never seen this option before. Oh, for a VC package? Okay, whatever. So they're both on. I should have some reasonable stuff output. Do I not? It should be here. These are just build files. Oh no, all that time. Let's build again. Okay. Yay. Source, game networking sockets, S. Okay. I want you. Static library. So can I copy it this way? Jai game networking sockets. Ben Windows? When? Alright. There is my static library. Is something running? My computer is working so hard, I hear it. Login server is running. Let's shut this down. And then we can shut this down. Okay. So here's this guy. So it is in bin win, and then it is called this thing. It is static. It actually would make sense to generate this for each OS, wouldn't it? Okay. Linux. OS X, which I at least have to generate for these two. Okay, so what do you need to properly generate this stuff? Include. So we should add that to include past game sockets, and then include. That should work. And the actual file I want is the flat Steam networking sockets flat. Include Steam that. Okay, and then this... Should I will try getting rid of this for now. So this visitor thing, this visitor, because Valve, I set this up last night, I think, for the other bindings. Valve gives you this flat thing, which imports all this other stuff that is not flat. So the Jai bindings generator inherently tries to make bindings for everything, which you don't want. So I had it reject everything and then recursively go back and add bindings for all of the necessary dependencies. So we'll see what happens right now. This will be the first test. Okay, it did stuff. Wait, it actually worked completely. But so it might be really, really, really ugly. If it has like tons of vtables and shit, which I expect it will. Right? So far it's just... Ah, there's something. Okay, so it has that, and then it has the flat version. I want to try and get rid of that, so I will try this. So it should all just work the same way, if I did it right. This is the file it wants. So if it's not that, attempt to omit it, and then store its old value so we can reset it. Otherwise, if it is it, add them all recursively. Okay, let's try this one. Man, see, Valve stuff is so good. It just fucking works. Although now it has 0 functions. Uh-oh. It must be this. Maybe... File name... Okay, well, let's get rid of the visitor again. There's no way this is the same issue as the thing WebSocket PP. Uh-oh. It really looks like it is. Are you using the updated Steam API? I just took this off of master. It's just, so yeah, I guess so. Not the one that leaks IP? I think no. Which one is that? I don't know. Oh wait, okay, wait, so this is for my server. You're talking about the peer-to-peer stuff. You're talking about like updated as in they changed the functionality of it. So I have that bound also, but this is for my server. So this doesn't have to be peer-to-peer. That's why I'm using this one. That was what happened to YouTuber Danny. Not Danny. My stuff is missing from the library. Why? What is this value? But you're talking about Steam Valve networking messages something library does peer-to-peer through a remote server. Game networking library is raw, like pure, like networking. So this is what I want for my game server. The other one's better for the other thing. Oh, I think I don't want static link then. That's if static link. I probably want declare spec export. How does this get defined? If it's a Nintendo SDK, or... Is that it? That's it. No, wait. Build static lib. Uh-oh. Okay, so this is a problem. So maybe let's not build a static library. Okay, so where it asks me, do you want static? I have to say no. Static. Off. Or... I guess this is fine. I really would like it to be static. Oh well. Static link version off. Okay, let's try again. Build. Okay. Interesting. So let's go here. Let's make a release. I think I need this lib. We'll go put it in bin when... Guess the static libraries doesn't have exported symbols just because of how they happen to set it up. That's kind of weird, is it not? I don't know. And then bin, and then DLL. This one, okay, should probably have exported symbols, I hope. Okay, there we go. So now when I go back here, there they are. Please work. It still stripped it. Is my computer broken? I am so confused. This is the same thing that was happening for the WebSocket PP library. Networking sockets. Flat. Flush messages on connection. I Steam networking sockets flush messages on connection and flush. I Steam networking sockets. It's generating bindings to something that is this. I don't understand how. Oh, it generated it flat on its own. I really don't want it to do that. So it generated this flat message thing, and then it called into the vtable of the networking socket. So that's kind of fucking sucks. And all that because the flat part was not included in the bindings I generated. What the fuck is going on? Everything looks right. I don't know what's happening. I think though what I can do is figure out what defines this, and I'll actually just set it myself, I guess. There's a lot of stuff that defines this. It's mostly this. So I don't know if I can override things. I guess I'll try that first, maybe. I could override Steam networking socket static link to false. Right? And then for export to true. Or I'll just do this. Let's not overcomplicate it for now. I'm debugging still. Oh, magic. Will this work? So then everything should be included unless something super weird and fucked up is happening on my computer. So let's go rebuild. Clean. Okay, build. I have an idea, just for fun. I told it to only build static, but it built both. What if I put both in here anyways? Will that make it happy? So it said linking static library S. So let me go take that S. Okay, that is a pretty big library. All right, that one's in there. And then it said bin DLL. Let's go take that. I wonder if it needs these other things like protobuf, and it might. It probably does, actually. I don't know. Anyways, bin win. There we go. We name this guy. Okay. We now have these two things, and now in the generate file, let's try. Nope. Oh my god. I don't want to continue without doing this correctly, but now I don't know what to do. Oh, maybe, wait, maybe it's this. Possibly. I could define this, maybe. But then this is forcibly defined right here. That can't really mess up, right? I think no. See, I did it over here. This one compiled no problem. Fuck, man. Where is it actually defined? There it is. That's okay. Yeah, very simple. I'm at a loss of what to do now. Let me check their CMake thing again. Is the answer here? With protobuf statically, I probably want that on. I might want that on. Maybe I don't need it. Nothing else seems like settings that I can control. Build shared lib. I feel like I've done all I can do. I wonder, is the same thing happening here as WebSocket PP? Where it thinks it's a static. Well, this one was a static, no DLL. But okay, let me build the version without it. Okay, so it built the actual shared DLL now. It exists. Let me go take that out. I'll do this. Let me just go grab it. Jai game something something. There it is. Okay, bin DLL source non-static. Okay. Both of these exist. There they are. My generate file goes bin win thing game networking sockets. Bro. Okay, the only other thing I can maybe do at this point is when this happens, the CMake defines this stuff, right? And this stuff goes and does stuff. I just want to match it, probably. Are you trying to bind the open source version on GitHub because you want to run a server, I assume? Yeah, that's correct. That's right. Must build static lib. So I need these two things now. So array add. I don't know if this will matter, but this might matter. Which one did I just do? Shared lib, so then also static. I guess probably static should not be on. And then I also have enabled here use static libs, protobuf use static libs. That shouldn't matter for my bindings being generated. Let's try. Does this affect anything at all? Nope. Missing. This, I'm actually going insane. I don't know what to do. The library works. Like, I can use it right now, but only because Jai has flattened the C++ bindings it's generated. So if you look at this, it basically has the functions I need, but they all just point directly into a vtable, whereas Steam gives you a flat header where you can avoid all of this stuff. Okay, wait, this is relevant, yeah. So it still thinks it's no DLL. What the fuck am I doing to make it think this? This is exactly the issue with the lib WebSocket PP. Let's try this, I guess. Link static off. Or I don't even know what to do anymore. I feel like I'm just trying random shit now. I'll at least try generating with it off. Doesn't help. Then I can try... I've put into here... Uh-oh, hang on. The DLL and the lib non-static. Let me try putting the static lib in, even though it doesn't make any sense. So now I have the shared DLL and the static lib. Okay. Now what happens? Also, exact same thing, stripped. Well, off. Why is it still doing this? I don't understand. Is it? It's like it's not... Wait a minute. Did all this stuff I do... Is it not updating? Is it not auto-updating my CMake list? Do I have to reload it? And could that have caused the problem with WebSocket PP? It does not really look like it did anything just now. No work to do. It seems to think it has finished reloading it. But build static lib is seemingly definitely enabled. Wait, build static lib, that's... Where am I? Off. Okay, is the static lib still here? Static lib is gone. Is it gonna build it again? I think until I can get it to stop building the static lib, I'm not doing something correctly. It did build it again. What is causing this shit to build the fucking static lib? It's this, right? Somehow, this is defined. Can anything else define this? Wait, did I define it? No, I didn't define it. If build test or build tools. Is build tools on? Build tools off. Build tests off. Okay. Well, let me check my CMake settings. I have the toolchain file. That's the only thing I've added. Okay. This is interesting though. Build CMake. I probably can't run this. This is meant for Linux. And nothing else is setting anything that matters. Nope. I am lost. This might be a day where I have to end my stream. Have you looked at binding generator code? Yeah, well right now, this definitely is not a binding generator problem actually. Just yesterday, I generated bindings for another Steam library, and it worked. I don't know what's changed between then. But I'm almost certain, like, okay, here's the problem, right? It's, when I generate these bindings, it is generating stuff. Like, it's finding these functions, but these functions, the ones I want, that should be included first. I even wrote this, which I shouldn't have had to do. These are not found in the static thing. And this is the same situation, exact same situation as WebSocket PP code, because this is extern C. So somehow the extern C functions are not being found. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. And the other problem is, I'm reading through the CMake code. It's every time I generate it. Here, let me run it again. Every time I generate it, it's creating a static lib. I specifically have static lib disabled. Okay, let me read this. See, linking static library does not make sense. Okay, building Windows. It's recommended to obtain the VC package manager. The following interactions assume you will follow the VC package when install. That is a subfolder. If you want classic mode, let me try this maybe. If you want to use this backend, whatever, now run CMake project from the projects folder. Assuming you have VC package recommended in the same location, VC package will automatically use. Build all of the examples and tests. Don't want to do that. Finally build a project. To be honest, I shouldn't have to do this, but if this works, I'll try it. I'll try anything else right now. Their message was stripping functions that are missing from foreign libs. Yep. Yep. This is an example of a function I want. that's in the flat.h file, and it says stripped because missing from foreign libs, which is the same thing that was happening in WebSocket PP. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've actually compiled like legitimately dozens, I think, of bindings for Jai. I've never had this problem. If that's so, the binding generator does not have the lib registered. Look at bindings generator. What do you mean? Well, so it's getting all this other stuff from that same lib. Bindings generator 3359. We must have different file numbers. I did go back to master, right? I'm not on a really old Jai version. This looks right. Yeah, this is right. Where am I supposed to be operators in place? Looking relative to my file? I think I'm on the latest Jai version. 3539. Did I type it in wrong? Oh, I did. Whoops. Whoops. I mean, I know it's doing this, but it legitimately, it seems, it's something I don't understand about C++ building, because stripping inline function, I guess that the second, yeah, second, but so I've set the strip flags to not include stripping unknown foreign libs, and then I've went through and manually bound them to the library that was imported, and that did not work. When I tried to run the program, it did that kind of crash where it says no error message because it doesn't have the DLLs. So somehow, but then I used dump bin or whatever, and I checked the exports of the DLL, and they're all there. So I don't know what the fuck is happening. And I don't know how to debug this. It seems to me, I don't know what could be causing this, but it seems to me the way I'm exporting this, so the common denominator here, thanks for the follow, common denominator here is that I'm the one building all of these things, which shouldn't really be a problem. I think, yeah, it doesn't see this as a library. Yeah, that's the problem. This shouldn't really be a problem, but when it generates the module, this is like the #1 indicator to me. It said this. I linked this one with a shared lib, and it said it generated it as library no DLL. So for some reason, the bindings generator thinks this is a static library, and it's not. If the library has all the symbols, the bindings generator should be at fault. Well, so I don't know what's causing this, but it's linking it as no DLL. Wait, yeah, if it's not a shared library. So this is probably beyond me. Handle load library. Okay, well, hang on. Try to load as a system. Okay, wait, so it's up here then. If it begins, that's if it's Mac OS. Where the fuck? I don't think it's treat S as a library and not cross-generating. Static library name. Static library suffix. What? That's probably not relevant, I hope, but it might be. Uh-oh. Lib symbol names. OS get symbol name. I bet this could be maybe the problem. I feel like it loads the shared library manually and tries to parse it. Look at OSO library and how things are added to the generator of the libraries. The function I'm in, right? Yeah. Well, it's a problem with how I'm exporting it. I'm pretty certain. I thought that's at 2012. Yeah, but it's a problem with how I'm exporting it. I don't know how to fix this because if this was the problem that the bindings generator was detecting it as a static library when in reality it's shared, then by setting it to ignore missing functions and getting rid of the no DLL myself, the other library should have worked. I should be able to force it to work this way, but I can't. It doesn't work. So it's actually a problem somehow. I'm like thinking while I scroll through this for some reason. It's a problem with how I'm exporting the stuff, but I've also exported the stuff this way hundreds of times and never had a problem. But like I said, it's so I'm back to kind of this. I think it's a problem with how this is getting exported. Let's try this. Is there a build folder? No. But maybe my main concern right now is even though I have export static off, it's still exporting this static lib. I don't fucking know, man. But let's try exactly what it said to do. They technically provide a readme of how to build this thing. I should do what they say. Was it just readme? No, it wasn't. Wait, building. Building Windows manual. I don't want to do this. I don't want to build that either. I don't want to do that either. It should not be that hard. Hang on. I'm pretty sure there should be an easier way. I guess this might work. Okay, let's try this then. So I'm in the build folder. I guess it wants me to go back out and then do this, but then I have my thing in a special location, so I have to go grab that. And say this thing. Go! Protobuf provides, okay, so I have to install Protobuf probably. What is wrong exactly? Blah, blah, blah. Protobuf provides CMake targets. Unable to find a build program. Wait, what? I have Ninja installed. Maybe I don't. I mean, I definitely do. I wonder if I'm better off trying to solve this with WebSocket PP. Also, I might actually end stream. This is going nowhere. Windows does not reach the OS get symbols names even. Okay, let me look at that. This thing? Probably from, do you mean it from file fixed and cached? Or is there a different thing? You're probably talking about inside OS get symbol. Wait, not OS get symbol. OS load library. From there, you probably mean OS get symbol names. So it doesn't even get to hear you say. I mean, I guess I can try debugging this. So, okay, let's try it. Before this call. If it is called expression handle, which is true on Windows, it can load the lib. Exclamation, if it It is called if, oh, not handle, which is true on Windows. It can live. Okay. Let's see what's happening. This will tell me something. Where was I doing this though? Was I really here? It's for path OS. Okay. It is getting there. It is doing it. Hey, Sergus. How do you say your name? Sergus. Hey, man. Yeah, so it's getting here. It's calling this function. Well, someone's a file. Let's check these things. I am not willing to do this that much longer because this should not be an issue. Okay. Don't really care about this. It does seem like, though, it's not getting there specifically for these functions. Which I guess I'd expect it not to, because they don't exist, so. If the library is loaded successfully, then it shouldn't have done that. Yeah. I think you're right. Handles the result of load library extension. Oh, I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying. Okay. I did a little bit fuck it up though, so let me unfuck it because I did something stupid, and just to see what happened, I put the static lib in with the shared DLL. Let me go not do that. Okay, now that's not happening. I got rid of that. Let's put that back. Try generate. It did still do both, so that did not help. Okay, so the library is fucked up. I need to, I guess, try and find a way to fix this. Seems not possible. OS Symbols Names does not even support Windows. Below that is all code that handles Windows libs. No, yeah, well, so I mean, you're saying that load library extension should have worked, right? That makes sense to me. And I mean, my thought here from the start is that, oh, this is interesting. That's a lib. Okay, hang on. I have stuff to do. My thought here from the start was that the way the library was compiled is wrong, even though nothing is really wrong with it. Yeah, but should have worked at a good path or permissions to read. Yeah, I mean, it can't be permissions issue because it's just Windows. Let me try static lib. I now have just the static lib, but I need to rename it. There you go. Binwin game networking sockets. I wonder, actually, you know, I guess what's wait, what is happening? Hang on. Generate, what happens now? Still stripped everything. I kind of want to give it a lib that makes no sense and see what gets exported, because it says it's finding functions, but is it really? I don't think it is. These are all fake. These just exist inside the structs. I don't think they're real. They don't bind anything. So the lib is just completely not exporting, right? Like if I go grab, this is going to be really dumb. Let's go grab these two things. It doesn't exist at all. It's crazy. Okay, so now we rename these. Actually, I can just undo. Whoops. Okay, whatever. It's like that permanently now. WebSocket PP. Okay, that's my new lib. It's gonna generate the same. It generated the same shit. Okay. That was the fact that it had stuff was tripping me up. Should it work? Yeah. Okay. So legitimately, it cannot read a single thing out of this lib. That's what I learned. So that doesn't make me any less confused though. Where are the settings? Am I blind? Oh, they're there. I don't know what to do now. That was off by default. Both of these were on by default. Check the settings, hang on. I am just on release mode. Build type is release. I could build it into... There's not any reason to build it into debug though. There's not at all. Build tools. Tool chains. It's just Visual Studio. I could maybe change the Visual Studio version. I don't know why I would. I'll change it. Oh, this one doesn't work. I wonder what the chances with all... I was doing a ton of build stuff yesterday to try, like a ton of weird build stuff yesterday to try to get PhysX to build for Linux. I wonder what the chances I've somehow fucked up my like build system. Maybe I just need to restart my computer, to be honest. I don't know. Have we tried putting a DLL into libpath? To libpath. Wait, what? In this? I know that's not how you do it though. This is correct. Because I have legitimately done this like hundreds of times. This is right. And in fact, if I mess up the typing, it won't even work, right? Yeah. So this is the right way to do it. You give it the lib path, and then you give it the actual lib name, and that should correspond to both the DLL and the lib if it's a shared library. This is the way to do it. I don't know though why it's not working. You know, it'd be interesting maybe. Let's do this real quick since I already have it set up. I can just do this, I think. Let's go try game something. Build. Game something. Huh? Let's do it in Linux, because Linux shouldn't have all these weird ass Windows issues. Linux just exports symbols. So this will be something. And I'm currently doing a static library and my thing is frozen. Hang on. All right, I'll change it here. I'm doing a static library and a shared library, so I think that is technically what I want, though. Whatever, I can do just static, maybe. Probably. Okay, let's try. What is it? CMake-D that. Please work. Oh. I can probably, I don't know, just do this. Did not do anything. How do you do this? libssl no. There we go. That might have worked. I would guess it's still not going to actually be able to do it because I probably have to restart my window. Oh, now proto buff. You okay. I'll just blindly do whatever the internet tells me to do. Now what? Performing tests. Wait, why is it doing tests? That's questionable. Okay, let's see what it gave me. Build. Wait, what? Oh, I have to do make. Whoops. Alright, it's building stuff. Oh my god. Try to find the exact path to load a library when calling load library extension in the OS. It can't be that issue. Unless you're saying the path, like the path is right. It is finding the thing. If it doesn't find the thing, it crashes. Something about the way I'm compiling the thing is not including what it wants. That I do not know. I actually think it might have legitimately been something I did yesterday, because I did a ton of weird shit trying to get BizX compiling for Linux. I think I might have fucked it up, so I might actually have to like restart my computer. Because like I said, this is the exact same issue as WebSocket PP. I made that library like a year ago. I haven't changed it since then, and I've compiled it many times. It's always worked. Okay, so it decided to make a static library. That's interesting, since I have that disabled. No, I don't. Okay, good. Let's go try. But for some reason, the handle is null, so the library load failed. Windows has get last error function, which you can tell you around. Oh. I could try that then. But the library load failed, but that makes sense to fail, I think, if basically I exported it wrong. Like if it, I think it would fail if it doesn't have any exported symbols at all. Probably? Or if rather it was compiled in a way that doesn't include exports. That's my guess. But I could check get last error. I didn't know that was a thing. Let's see. Okay, let me go pick this real quick. Here's the build, and here is the static library. bin Linux. Okay, so now we have this guy. That should work. That is actually static. I don't think you can fuck up a Linux library. So what happens? I have to do it generate Linux generate. I think the load should be fine even without symbols. I'm not sure. I also don't know. Not load library. Is that because I didn't say lib? I think that's because I didn't say lib. Ah, there we go. That one worked. Wait, no, wait, did it? Uh-oh. Wait, it has way more functions though. But I don't know if it worked or not. Yeah, a lot of this looks right, I think. So is this coming out of the flat thing? Where is it? There it is. Okay, there it is. This is coming out of the flat thing. They're all here, right? Like everything? No. Not all of them. What? I'm so confused. But like, so this one is there. Okay, and then what is the next one? Networking utils, which is this. Editable config values. Ooh, but which one was I just checking? One of these doesn't exist. Okay, local timestamp. Like whatever the fuck this is doesn't exist. Above, okay, 003 allocate message, and then init relay network access. It's gone. This is maybe the most confusing thing so far. And it said missing from foreign libs. Oh my god. Okay, wait, I maybe actually know. I actually might know what's happening. Maybe. Go back to the build folder. Except no, this isn't what I expected to be here. Okay, I thought there was going to be multiple things to import and you have to import all of them, which I actually still think that might be right. I think some of them may be getting put in other exports, but I don't see any other exports, so the only other thing I can think to do at the moment maybe is turn it off static and on shared. And then we'll go try again. Whoops. Okay. I actually think there's a very good chance my computer's just fucked. I might get a friend to build this stuff for me, actually. Well, let's see. I don't know why I have so many viewers. I was probably gonna end stream. I feel like this is very horrible stuff to stream, is it not? I'm also, of all the stuff I do on my stream, I am probably the least confident about C++ build processes out of everything. Like, generally, I kind of know what I'm doing. When it comes to this stuff, I have no fucking clue. Okay, shared library. Here's this. That is the only thing it says it linked. Let me go try and grab that. Damn it. Jai Linux. Okay. It did, in fact, still strip those things. So confused. I am so confused. Where does it say how to build Linux? Okay. That's Windows. Right? No, not necessarily. I mean, that's what I did. Do nm on the... Oh, okay. I don't know Linux stuff at all. Let's try this. Lib something that... Okay, so you want me to look for the thing that it is missing, which is a NIT relay network access. I should probably... Can I do this? Yeah. Where'd it go? Where am I? Bin Linux. Gone. Not here. I'm guessing this should exist, right? So there's, for some reason... Okay, maybe I can like compile this verbose or something. Because for some reason, actually compiling this has decided to remove that thing. Okay, there's too much stuff. Okay. Not this either. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. Let me figure out how to compile this. Wait, Linux doesn't need visibility declaration, does it? I don't think it does. But it probably has it. And the other thing I'm thinking is... Yeah, I don't know. Like, what's the chance this thing requires protobuf, and so inherently by me not providing it protobuf when I link the libs, it's not linking this. Or something like that. Init relay, that seems really probably not true though. Okay, anyways, what did they do here? They defined this somewhere. Where did... Here. Okay, this basically doesn't matter, yeah. Although, wait. Uh-oh. This could matter. I don't understand. Talk about it. I don't understand what this thing is. It's probably right. But I'm not sure. Does this get defined nowhere, actually? I could define it. I think that would... I guess I'll try that out. Let's just open another... There we go, that'll work. Well, I don't think I'm actually going to get to the networking part of this on stream, but then if I don't, then I'll save it for tomorrow's stream. We'll see. Game whatever. And then CMake... Is it here? No. Okay, hang on. This. That, and then... Dash something. This. I don't know how it gets defined. Maybe I have to define it. I think this will define it, won't it? Pretty sure. Uh-oh. No. Okay, wait, how do you do that? I can just add it to the... It's actually using the CMake file, so I can just add it to the CMake file. So... Add definitions. Whatever. That will work as long as it's not already here. It is not. Thought you could do it either way. If the function is not static, then it is a symbol. If a function is not static, then it is a symbol in the library. But so... Wait. What? Isn't that just defined by how I'm exporting, how I have the export, like the build process set up, whether or not the functions are stat? What do you mean static when you say function static? Make. In the future. Static modifier on function says, oh, okay, so basically it should have a symbol, right? I'm not crazy, right? Like none of this makes sense, I think, at all. Because the thing I want to be exported is this. Where is it? This. This is not there. I guess I could check the C++ definition of this. Yeah, that's all. If def. Oh. Okay. Wait, so this actually makes sense. There's no notion of which to export or not C++. This makes sense why this is not getting exported. Okay, so I actually probably have compiled the Linux version correctly. So my thinking, where is this one? I don't know why this might matter, but my thinking is I probably need to define this in the CMake file like I just did. I mean, in C on Linux, there are some compiler attributes that can change the visibility though. Okay, yeah, okay. Here's my new bin. I've changed this thing. Let's go take that back out. Bin thing SO compiled just now. Let's go put it here. And then I was here. Here. Okay, good luck with the linking. Bye. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for the help, man. See ya. I might or might not continue streaming that much longer because it is actually, I think I kind of understand how to fix it now, maybe. So the other thing I wanted to do also, it should be linked now. Like when I check on the functions here, yeah, this is a legitimate linking of flat stuff. So I also want to add this back where it gets rid of all the not flat stuff. I don't want anything not flat. So it's gotta go. Let's try. It should have way fewer functions than 165 now. Okay, good. That seemed to have worked, actually. It's only flat functions now. And a couple random structs that I don't care about. But it's useful to have these. And a bunch of enums. Okay, the Linux one seems to work, and it's just a library. I think I'm getting there. Now, we'll try you again. Windows, the problem child. Is it cleaning? Okay, now it's cleaning. There it goes. Build, I guess. Actually, can I stop the build? Let's clean again. I want to be sure I reload the CMake file. Loading CMake project. It says loaded, I guess. Okay. So this, where is it? This add definition might matter a lot. We will see. Okay, so this one created a static library and a shared library again. I still don't understand why it's doing that, because the Linux version did not. Okay, here's what I'm going to do, actually. Yeah, I'm going to delete these two, which is going to totally corrupt the shit. Okay, there we go. And then I need to delete the CMake cache. Is that here at all? It's probably in that folder I just deleted. Okay, so then I have to close out of it, reopen it. I feel like the cache was never getting invalidated, which is very odd. And I need to reopen it, but open the CMake project again, and then reload it as a CMake project. Okay, I think I've done it. Now... Okay, close that. Now, settings. CMake release mode. Okay. It's doing stuff. This is new. This is, oh, because I got rid of, didn't I? Yep, it needs to know where the Windows thing is. Which is probably here. Okay, or not, hang on. There it is. No, it's not it. Uh-oh. How do I link my package manager? Oh no. Link VC package tool something? Tool chain? There we go. This is it. Okay, that's what you need as CMake options. Okay. Now, it's doing stuff. So these are the exact same settings as what has successfully worked on Linux. Build files written. Build. If this doesn't work, I think I'm legitimately gonna get off stream and restart my computer because... Oh, wait, this is so much better. Wait, this must have also been what was happening with the other library. It didn't link the fucking static library this time. Doesn't make sense. I didn't do anything. I just restarted Sea Lion, man. Fucking god. Okay, let me go grab the new thing. So in bin, there is all these DLLs that I probably need. Let me just grab them all. Did not even do anything new. And then in source, there's maybe a bunch of libraries? Not just one. All right. So for this, for Windows, I guess it's in my interest also to define this. So let's make it match up the best I can. I shouldn't really have to. I shouldn't have to at all. Whatever. Okay, where am I? So static is off. Static is off, shared is on, and then I added a definition for this. Okay, those are my extra arguments, and now here is all this stuff that I think is needed. Let's try it. Let's try it. Here we go. 0 functions. That's not good. Okay. Okay. Is there a reason why this might not be working? So like this function, something that should definitely work. What is something? Send messages. Close connection. Okay, it's not even in ifdef. Standalone lib. Oh, that looks important. Let's try that. Okay, build. As it builds. Don't know what that does, but there we go. Build finished. It has done DLL. Let's go grab that. Compiled just now. Wait. Actually, did not build the library. Linking. Hmm. Let me try that though. Cannot load. Okay. Zero functions. Okay, I'm done. I can't fucking figure this out. I'm gonna have to do it off stream. I think I actually have to restart my computer. Because yesterday I changed so many things to try and cross-compile into Linux to get the Jive PhysX stuff working. I think I've just Omega fucked it, so I might also just abuse a friend and get someone to compile something. Let me host someone real quick. I got more linking to do today. And then tomorrow, I do networking stuff for real though. Tomorrow I'm done with linking. I'm gonna do all the linking stuff tonight. Let's see who to host. Rian Art is doing C++ game dev again. That might be it. Yep. I will host Rian Art. He does like custom engine. He's making like a custom engine tower defense game from scratch and doing all the art himself. Pretty cool. All right, bye. I'll be back tomorrow, probably early, and I'm probably going to stream a very long time tomorrow, but unfortunately today I just had to deal with build problem after build issue after build issue after build issue, so tonight I'll have them all fixed, hopefully. So thanks for watching. I don't know why there's 27 people here, but thanks. I'll be back tomorrow. See ya. Appreciate it. Bye.